Hi guys, I'm Axel Jan B. Kibido, and have you ever wondered how cars actually move like this? The secret lies inside one powerful machine is the engine. Your car engine is basically a controlled explosion machine. It runs on the Otto cycle, four simple steps. Intake, air and fuel go in. Compression, the piston squeezes the mix. Power, spark plug ignites it. Exhaust, burn gases go out. This repeats thousands of times per minute. The explosion push pistons. Pistons spin a crankshaft. That crankshaft makes your wheels move. No magic here. Just fuel, fire, and smart engineering. So, that's how engines keep the world moving, thanks to mechanical engineering.